Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of natural antibiotics. While synthetic antibiotics are crucial for treating infections, natural alternatives can also play a significant role in supporting your health. In this video, we'll explore some of the best natural antibiotics and how to incorporate them into your daily routine. Don't forget to subscribe for more health and wellness tips. Let's get started. First up is garlic. Known for its powerful antibacterial and antiviral properties, garlic has been used for centuries to combat infections. Allicin, a compound found in garlic, is responsible for its medicinal properties. To get the most benefits, crush or chop raw garlic and let it sit for a few minutes before consuming it. Add raw garlic to salads, dressings, or mix it into warm dishes after cooking to retain its potency. Next is honey, particularly Manuka honey. Honey has natural antibacterial properties and has been used for wound healing and infection prevention. Manuka honey, sourced from New Zealand, is especially potent due to its high concentration of methyl glyoxal. Use honey as a natural sweetener in tea, spread it on toast, or apply it directly to minor cuts and scrapes to promote healing. Ginger is another powerful natural antibiotic. It has antimicrobial properties and can help fight off various types of bacteria. Additionally, ginger is known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. Incorporate fresh ginger into your meals, make ginger tea, or add it to smoothies for a health boost. Turmeric, with its active compound curcumin, has strong antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. It's widely used in traditional medicine to fight infections and promote overall health. Add turmeric to your cooking, make a golden milk latte, or take curcumin supplements after consulting with your healthcare provider. Echinacea is a popular herb known for its immune-boosting and antibacterial properties. It's often used to prevent and treat colds and respiratory infections. Drink Echinacea tea or take Echinacea supplements, especially during cold and flu season, to support your immune system. Oregano oil is a potent natural antibiotic due to its high concentration of carvacrol and thymol. It's effective against various bacteria and fungi. Use oregano oil as a supplement in a diffuser or diluted in a carrier oil for topical application. Always follow dosage instructions and consult a healthcare professional before use. Apple cider vinegar has antibacterial properties and can help fight off pathogens. It's also beneficial for digestion and overall health. Mix apple cider vinegar with water and drink it, or use it as a base for salad dressings and marinades. Incorporating these natural antibiotics into your daily routine can support your immune system and overall health. However, remember that while natural remedies are beneficial, they should not replace prescribed medications for serious infections. Always consult with a healthcare professional for advice tailored to your needs. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with friends, and subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips. Let us know in the comments what other topics you'd like us to cover.